What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you the basics of information marketing and how you can create your own info products to sell and to give away to entice people to purchase some of your paid products. Okay, so this is one that I am working on right now. This is a product that I am making in ClickFunnels, and essentially what this is going to be a sales funnel or a series of sales pages that are going to lead up to this membership area. Now, information marketing is a couple things, right? It's essentially an info product, right? A product that sells information that solves a problem that somebody has, right? So currently I'm focusing on the make money online niche, and this course right here that I'm working on, it's not finished yet, but this course is all about how to get clients through cold emailing. Okay, now I have other lessons, I just haven't loaded them in, and I have these two other sections that I need to shoot videos for. So when it comes to information marketing, right, there's really two steps. Okay, number one, you need to make the product, and then number two, you need to make the funnel itself. So I could make a lot of videos on both of these two things, but essentially, it's almost hard to say like which part of this process is more difficult, right? Because making this funnel and actually selling it, I would say is probably more important, because this, if this doesn't work, then you could have the best course in the world and nobody is going to give a shit, right? So this is one that I've made. I haven't tested it out yet because, like I said, the product isn't done, and I don't want to sell something that isn't done yet, right? Now, when it comes to information marketing, another way to do it, to drive traffic, let's say, is to have YouTube videos, right? So for example, I've got this channel, I've got all these videos, and I push traffic to all of my info products through links in the description, so that when people find my videos, whether they find them on YouTube, or I promote them with Pythonbot, or I promote them on Facebook, they're going to go there and they're going to see links to all of these basically affiliate products. Some of them are my products, and they're going to hopefully buy it. Okay, and then the final way that you can focus on making information products is to just make a basic PDF. Right, so here is, I'll show you a PDF that I made. Let's see if I have it on my computer. I don't have it. Let's see here. Alright, let's see. I got it in here somewhere. So anyway, this is basically a PDF that I made. I think I have it on MediaFire. So this is a PDF that I made that talks about how I got all my clients for social media management with Pythonbot. It's pretty good, and what I have been doing is giving it away for free to people who opt into my mailing list, right? So I find that it's very easy to get a lot of opt-ins with this, even from cold traffic, because people really want to know how to generate leads. And when you tell them that you can generate leads with this really awesome strategy that's way cheaper than Facebook ads, they're going to jump at the chance. If my computer ever starts to load. Okay, so basically what I'm planning on doing, and I haven't actually done this yet, but if you take a look at where's my sales page? All right, so if you see, I've got all these bonuses in here as well, right? This is what people get in the course, and these are all the bonuses. Email support, private mastermind group, all these resources, right? This is the PDF, okay, that I was just talking about. And I'll put a link in the description in case you guys want to grab it. Right? So how I use Pythonbot to get all my clients for social media management. Pretty cool, right? Now I call it something else here. I call it the Top Secret Lead Generation Manual. Branding, I guess, sounds better than just some boring how-to title. But pitching it right here, so somebody who's scrolling through this cold email course and is kind of on the fence, if they see any of these bonuses and they're like, oh my God, I want that, you know, like I'll pay for this course just for that like one thing right there, then they might buy it, right? Some of these things, they're just kind of like nice to have, like $1 million ad swipes. Like this could probably just be like, you could Google this, right? $50 million shared from the library. Like you could get this just through like looking them up individually, I guess, which is a pain. Bonus vault, right? Like 40 different bonus products. That's cool, but like, do you really need all those? But to generate leads, and this is me just speculating here, I'm not really sure if this is actually what people are thinking or not, but a PDF that shows how to get 50 clients in 2 months, that sounds like it might be a little bit harder to come by, okay? Now I've got this PDF here, and then if people want to get it, you know, they just have to buy my products, right? So I hope that made sense, kind of all over the place. You know, information products are, I think, essential if you want to make money online. I feel like that's the end game after affiliate marketing, after drop shipping, after literally anything, what you're going to do. Like any famous person is going to write a book. You know, it's easy money. And then if you have, like, famous people just write books about their lives. But imagine if a famous person wrote a book about how to do something really cool, right? Like, you know, there's a book about an FBI interrogator who wrote a book on negotiation, or negotiator wrote a book on negotiation, you know. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about creating info products, I'm like an awesome authority to ask about that, because I almost have one created. Oh, actually I have a couple. Just kidding. I have this one, and then I have a couple other articles which I could and should turn into info products. Cool. So ask me in the comment section, and yeah, subscribe.